Masquera say Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kari kikutanka kukuya panino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchingwagara wakasubscribe, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Mure Zimbabwe tawigirai, nyari kupisa, nyari kunetsa, nyaya the former Vice President Phelekezela Mphoko, the late Phelekezela Mphoko, avo vakashaika vari kuIndia, vari kunzi vasiya family legacy yavo iri in ruins, anza zvina kumira mushe. Pane madivisions and toxicity muri Zimbabwe zviri kunzi zvinogona kutora nguva zvichinetsa mumhuri yekwaMphoko. Kutaura kwatiri kuita zviri kunzi vaMphoko vasiya family yavo iri divided and zviri kunzi mune hondo irimo. Kutaura kwatiri kuita hanzi the first son wavaMphoko hanzi haasi kutaura namai vake, hanzi uyezve he was not talking to Mphoko paakafa, pamwe chete ne2 masisters ake. Uyo mwana wacho wamuri kuona ari apo. So Mphoko before afa airarama nemukadzi wake Lorinda pamwe chete ne3 vana vake, 2 vasikana ne1 mukomana. So zviri kunzi before afa papasina kumira mushe, pane hondo inga iripo between Mphoko nevana vake muri Zimbabwe. Zvinopera mushe zviri kunzi pane nyaya dziri kunetsa, nyaya dzemabusinesses nemari dzava kutonetsa muri Zimbabwe. Hanzi zvakakonzera kuti mwana waMphoko mukomana awanikwa achisungiswa nevamwe vake muri Zimbabwe. Zvinomira mushe zviri kunzi mwana waMphoko mukomana wamuri kuona uko ari apo, hanzi he doesn't believe kuti Lorinda ndiye mai vake. Hanzi kunyange zvazvo baba vake vakamuudza kuti ndiwa mai vake, hanzi he is saying he discovered kuti she is not. Zvakare zviri kunzi hazvina kumira mushe, mwana waMphoko mukomana ari kunetsera zvakare mashares emuchoppies before Mphoko abviswa pavice president aiwirirana nemwana wake. They were always together and he was almost like his head of security or protocol. But by the time erazofa Mphoko vanga vasingachaonani neclash yakaitika over the choppies supermarket chain ownership nemari zvakonzwa kuti paonekwa pachisungwa vanhu. So inyaya inorwadza, nyaya inosiririsa, inyeso inyaya yashamisa vanhu vazhinji kuti mhuri yaMphoko inge isina kurongeka kudaro here. So nyaya yaburitswa neThe Newsworks muri Zimbabwe vachitaura vachiti Mphoko leaves family legacy of ruins. Apart from his contribution to Zimbabwe's liberation struggle and becoming vice president, the late Phelekezela Mphoko leaves behind a family legacy of ruins, divisions and toxicity which will linger on for years after he is gone. Mphoko has left his family deeply divided and at war. His son was not talking to him and is not talking to his mother and 2 sisters. Mphoko is survived by his wife Lorinda and 3 children as well as several grandchildren. However, a cloud of bitter fallout envelops the family, engulfed in a deadly feud over parentage, business or money, and infighting which led to arrests at the height of acrimony. The war situation is dramatic. It gets worse. Mphoko's son no longer believes Lorinda is his mother. His father said she is, but he says he has discovered she is not. When Mphoko came to power as vice president in 2014, he was close to his son. They were always together and he was almost like his head of security or protocol. However, as time went by, they fiercely clashed over Choppy's supermarket chain ownership and money. As the squabble deteriorated, it led to the arrest of Mphoko's son and his wife Nomagugu in 2018, facing fraud and extortion charges respectively. Nomagugu was arrested for allegedly ordering 15 Choppy's supermarket managers in Bulawayo to unlawfully dispense over 30,000 cash from their point-of-sale machines after threatening them with either deportation or dismissal. Chief Executive Officer Ramachandran Opatu later withdrew the fraud and extortion charges against Mphoko's son and his wife. The Mphokos also went to court fighting for Chopi's control and associated money. Later year, Mphoko's son was arrested and faced 3 counts of raping a minor who is his relative, 1 count of escaping from lawful custody. He pleaded not guilty to all the counts, but was convicted on all 4 counts after a full trial. The 3 counts of rape were taken as one for purposes of sentence, and a 20-year term of imprisonment was imposed. On the 4th count, Mphoko's son received a 2-month jail term, which was ordered to run concurrently with the sentence of 20 years imprisonment imposed on the rape counts. However, Mphoko's son was later acquitted on appeal, yet his relationship with his father had already been damaged irretrievably. Mphoko's son was specifically not included in his father's will. On the Phelekezela Mphoko Foundation preamble, it is specified that Mphoko's son is excluded by name. The preamble says Lorinda takes over when Mphoko dies, and if she goes, your daughter's son will take over. As Mphoko returns home in a casket from India for burial at Heroes Eka in Harare, he lives behind a deeply divided family, bitterness and pain among them. Mphoko's son will not even attend his own father's funeral, a tragic ending to their relationship. Bulawayo Provincial Affairs and Devolution Minister Judith Ncube said on Tuesday during a church service held at family's home in Douglasdale suburb, Bulawayo, Mphoko's body will arrive tomorrow in Harare. From there, it will be taken to Bulawayo and back to Harare for burial. However, his family says Mphoko asked to be buried at his home, not at Heroes Eka in Harare. Whatever happens on that, one thing is certain: Mphoko left a family legacy of devastating ruins. Ndamabuditiro akatwanya iye murezi Zimbabwe the news works tisikaziye kuti munoona sei nyaya yetu dzezvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.
On behalf of the Mphoko family, I, Mrs. Lorinda Mphoko, wish to confirm that my late husband, former Vice President, report Phelekezela Mphoko's body will be laid to rest at his home. He address plot number 19, Bulawayo Drive, Douglasdale, Bulawayo. We thank the state for assisting to carry out my late husband's wishes. God bless. Siyabonga, Enkosi nibusise, sibusise sonke bantu benkosi. Amen.